your teaching me. I very hard. What's in the class in book? Woman in tear. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. You young come on me remote. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. I teach you, baby. When you die me, more than you die me, more than you die yo, and never money so. When you die me, more than you die me, more than you die yo, and never damn me no. Kunti, and never tafanya me yo. Kunti, and never pussy up for me. You mean to me cry away. You mean to me cry away, Tom. You mean to me cry away, so. And I want to me, what I want me. Sana, what do we do? It's my son, Quantana. Everyone, you put you. None in such a church, never die from corner, very never is in you. What are years ago? I want you to yeah. In a bit, not in ye. And yet, you are going to me. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You young come on me remote. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. I teach you, baby. When you die me, more than you die me, more than you die yo, and never money so. When you die me, more than you die me, more than you die yo, and never damn me no. Kunti, and never tafanya me yo. Kunti, and never pussy up for me. You mean to me cry away. You mean to me cry away, Tom. You mean to me cry away, so. And I want to.
Nana Oga, Toki is a beer on it.
When you die me,
Let me do it. Get back to
when you die me, when you die me, when you die yo, and then me damn me no. You shall see a fe, or that shall see it is a war. From on fire and tamo, near don't know yes from Gopa. Me ring my coat, of it, me ring my good neck. And what I said, I go get you, and I go, you know. Mankind of young to Supra, separate war better than me, boy, you know. Me come, me woman, no. Me, any better me, be a. Me try to listen, so I know you're dancing, dear. I feel you're teaching me.
Thank you. What's your name?
Aso.
Nice name. Has anyone told you how beautiful you are?
Rafa.
You are beautiful. Will you marry me?
Only you saw my parents and they agree.
Why not?
Aso! Mommy!
It's my son Quantana.
Dennis. Do you know what it's saying to be poor? I mean, poverty is a curse.
Nick, why are you saying this? What has happened?
I met a girl, my oh my. A girl at the village where I went to repair the car. That's yesterday. She's charming. I mean, naturally beautiful. She's respectful and innocent. If I have my own way, nothing will stop me from marrying that girl. Nothing. What's so funny?
Look, Nick. Small boys are young. For how long have you known this girl? That you are qualified her with all these adjectives?
Dennis, you don't need to read somebody's profile before you can tell he or she will be a good person. The few minutes I spent with that girl, I could tell that she will be a woman of substance.
You sure?
No.
Papa, the mechanic we met the other day when we were returning from the farm, he has promised to marry me and take me to the city.
Oh, Aso. For how long have you known him? You talk about marriage.
How long she has known the man is irrelevant. If the man thinks he has money and can marry her and take her to the city, what's your problem? Eh? That is the prayer of every parent. Aso, do you love the man? Answer me.
Hey, Dennis Toe! Dennis Toe!
I'm just saying I'll see me.
Oh, Charlie, I was just planning to come to your house after this washing. How?
Fine.
Anyway, I will be late to work tomorrow.
Why?
You see, I have to go and bring that beautiful girl to this house.
Hey, Nick.
Look, she's wonderful. Eh? She's wonderful. And she's got whatever it takes to be a good wife.
You have to take your time. You don't have to rush into it like that. You only met her for a short time. You should give yourself some time.
Look, but why do you always oppose my views on this particular girl? Huh? Look, I'm only telling you what I'm going to do. I don't need your advice. Period.
What about Akos? What are you going to tell her?
Why?
Akos.
Yeah, Akos. Eh? Now what the one is what boy wanna? Oh, back up for them pum na my light to cry. Oh no. What's about tuntum? Madam for ebeya ko hwe mo demo na me ba.
All right, Nico, why?
All right, I'll see you tomorrow. But whether you like it or not, I will bring that girl here. Oh, back up kwa pe fano na ho pampa wo. So about tuntum. What tuntum dem de here? This is Aso.
The girl I said I met at the village. Also, this Dennis, our chief apprentice. In fact, he's been more than a brother to me. He's been expecting you here. You're going to learn hairdressing from his sister, right? So let's go.
Nana Oga, Toki, is a beer on it.
Yes.
I want you to promise me. People are scaring me that you're not going to marry me. And that I'm only wasting my money and time on you.
Nick, you don't have to listen to what people are saying. I think they envy you. You're going to be the father of your children.
You mean you'll be with me till the end of time?
God will punish me if I should be ungrateful for all that you've done for me. I promise you. Nick, my parents have asked if you could get them an accommodation in the city. Actually, they will take care of themselves. They only need an accommodation.
That's not a problem. I'll get them on. Love you.
Mick, is it because of this bush girl that you don't want to see me anymore?
Bush girl? You call her a bush girl? Look, don't you think she's more beautiful than you are? Huh? I mean, look at her color. Look at that. Color. Look, I'm fed up with dark-colored women.
Small boys are young. You will live to regret this, Nick. This village girl will teach you a lesson one day. It will be better for a city girl to teach you a lesson than a village girl. One kind me and soon, over kind me as well.
Sure.
I promise.
Nick the mechanic. Oga Barclay. How's business? Fine. You're welcome. You like to enjoy yourself, bro? Eh? Barclay. So, where did you get that kind of? I went to the village and I met her. I see. Hey! Hey! Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Good. Nick the mechanic. Not bad play. My bus, my Benz bus, is spoiled. It's in the house. Can you come for it? Okay. Hello. I'll see you. Bye bye. Let's sit somewhere. What do you say is your name?
Aso.
Aso.
My name is Aso.
Aso. No. That name is not good for a beautiful girl like you. I want to give you a new name. I'll call you Zene. That's my grandmother's name. That is more fitting for a beautiful girl like you.
Thank you.
You're a very beautiful girl, you know that.
Thank you very much.
So beautiful. I've never seen such a beautiful girl like this in Ghana before. And I keep wondering why a beautiful girl like you should be hanging up with a mechanic. I mean, such a dirty mechanic like that. I mean, you're just too beautiful for you to be hanging around with a mechanic. Look, I should be able to take care of you. Huh? I'll put you at your fitting place. Alright? Okay? I'll do everything for you.
Nana Oga. Top key. Is a beer on the beer.
the class in book. A woman in tear. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You young come on me rumble. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Hearty tea, baby. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo. And then when you so. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo. And then me damn me no. Kunti. And then my time for him, yo. Kunti. And then my pussy for me. You mean to me, grand on me. You mean to me, grand on me, too. You mean to me, grand on me, so. And I order on tea. Me, what do you want to be watching me? Sana, what do we do? It's no my son, Quantana. Hey, woman, you put you. Now, in him, such a chef for Dias from Corner, very never is in you. What are years ago? I want you to say, yeah. In a vein, not in ye. And yet, you are going to me. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You young come on me rumble. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Hearty tea, baby. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo.
I don't know why you're still hanging around this poor mechanic.
I've told you, Buckley. Nick has really helped me.
Bringing you from the village? That is no achievement.
By my standard, it's a very good achievement.
I'm glad you're saying by your standards. But let me tell you, Zeni, I am going to send you to greater heights. I am going to put you on a level you will never forget. Okay? Come on, let's go for lunch. Aso!
Where the hell do you think you are going? Huh? Come on, get back.
Okay, look, go and sit down. What do you mean? Bringing her from the village doesn't mean that she's your slave.
Look, do you know how much I've spent on her to make her who she is today?
Oh, you're making noise. How much? How much have you spent on her?
Look, she was nobody before I brought her and her parents to the city.
Nick! You brought me from the village, and I really appreciate it. But let me ask you, was I naked when you met me? Or were my parents eating stones in the village? We were better by village standards.
You have forgotten who you were before I made you who you are today. Huh? And what can I say about your parents? I mean your greedy parents. Huh? The least said about them, the better. Look, get back, I say.
And if I refuse,
you regret the day you came to the city.
foolish man.
I'm okay, man.
Oh, Nick. Is something wrong? Or you're not feeling fine?
I'm okay, Papa. It's all about Aso's behaviors of late.
What has she done?
She's been moving with another man.
You mean our daughter Aso? No, I can't believe it.
Are you sure?
It is true. It has been going on for some time now. I didn't want to believe it initially. But, Papa, it's all... I mean, it's now the talk of the town.
Nick, we are very sorry about her strange behavior. You shall come over there and talk to her. Don't you? Let me come there. What is the matter?
Papa, I don't want to see this man in my life again. I'm coming here to stay with you.
What has happened? Tell us.
Yes, tell us.
Look, do you know how much I've spent on her to make her who she is today?
Oh, you're making noise. How much? How much have you spent on her?
Look, she was nobody before I brought her and her parents to the city.
Nick! You brought me from the village, and I really appreciate it. But let me ask you, was I naked when you met me? Or were my parents eating stones in the village? We were better by village standards.
You have forgotten who you were before I made you who you are today. Huh? And what can I say about your parents? I mean, your greedy parents. Huh?
Nick.
Huh? But you went too far. Eh? You went too far.
You should call us greedy.
We appreciate whatever you've been doing for us, but you went too far.
Eh?
How?
What have we demanded from you? Have we demanded ship or plane from you? A poor mechanic, you all know. After all, what personal right have you performed to claim authority over this girl? She is matured to take her own decision.
Yes, Papa, enough is enough.
Yes.
I've come here to stay with you.
Oh, come on, Papa. Oh, go, I love you. Go, please, go.
Don't touch me.
Go. Oh, why?
Go. I said go. Go.
Can't you go? Aso, go.
So,
What's wrong with you?
what have you been doing? I'm looking for what kind.
Just to lift.
Nana Oga, Toki. Is a beer on it?
church never die from corner of the never is in you. What are you again? I want you to say, oh yeah. In a bit of the year. And yet is a guy is a win. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You're going to be remote. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Titi, baby, baby. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo. And everyone is so. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo. And everyone.
Nana Oga, Toki, Isabella on the beat.
When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo. And everyone is so. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, me. When you're dying, yo. And everyone me know. You shall see a fever. Or that shall see it is a war. From on fire and table, near don't know yes from Gopa. Mary Mako, of it, Mary Maguna.
So good evening. Won't you respond to my greeting?
And who are you calling us on? Huh? I'm called Zini.
Zini, I'm very sorry for my behavior. You see, anytime I see you with another man, my heart aches.
Let me tell you this. The fact that you brought me to the city doesn't give you the license to treat me anyhow.
I'm sorry. You see, I love you, Zini. I'm sorry.
Hey, don't you dare do it! Now, if you don't do it, foolish man. Sagana yewo.
What on earth did you do this for? Should you do this?
Get away! Just go away from this place. Nonsense. Next time you come and stand here and talk nonsense to me. Foolish man. Go.
So is it true that Aso has packed out of your house? I told you
Not all that glitters is gold. Have you seen what she has done to you?
I strongly believe someone is influencing her.
I don't think so. Aso is mature enough to decide for herself. She is simply fed up with you.
You were right. I should have listened to you.
Why you know who na papa Obakoko? Obakoko se udi lechi ya. Obeku. You fucking. Say no.
What is wrong with you? Huh?
Nick is dead.
What? You mean Nick the mechanic? What happened to him? Nick should have known that a girl like you does not belong to his class. I mean, a sophisticated girl like you should not be left to get rotting in the hands of people like Nick. I think it was rather stupid on his part to have committed suicide. Bazini, put this behind you quickly. Huh? Let's go out. Let me make you happy. Okay? Let's go. It's not your fault. So don't weep over these things. Put this thing behind you quickly.
I was expecting to see you last weekend, not even a phone call.
Yeah, I know, but just that I've been busy this weekend. Anyway, who's my friend? She's Zini. She also owns a salon.
See, Zini, she's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you think I can have her?
You can try.
Zini, are you married?
Oh no, but I have a very serious boyfriend.
Since he's not married to you, that means the race is still open and I can enter the race. What do you think?
Excuse me.
I'll be right back.
But I thought you said he wanted you. That's what I thought, that wherever you are around, nobody. Oh, come on. Don't say that. I will never give in to you. Never.
So you're welcome.
I see. Nice compound.
Oh, thank you.
And you can do some extensions later.
Oh, yeah. And that's my car.
Oh, this one?
Oh, yes.
I think I have to buy a new one. What do you think?
Oh, wow. That'd be wonderful.
It's an old car.
Oh, I see. I'm very glad.
Nice place.
Oh, thank you. Let's get inside.
All right. I'll get you a better car, okay?
Wow.
As long as I'm here, you have no problem. Zini! Zini! How you doing, guy?
Who is this guy? Huh? Who is this guy? Look at it. Oh, it's true. It's true that you've been flirting around. Huh? Hey! Huh?
What the hell do you think you're doing, man?
Now you get out! You come and meet me in the house. Stupid girl.
Who's he? Is he crazy or something?
What do you want here?
Please, I came to apologize for what happened last time. I beg you, I'm sorry.
Oh, I see. You've come for your taxi, eh? Take it.
I didn't come here.
Take the key. I'm no more interested in your taxi.
Zeni,
listen to me. You think you can treat me anyhow just because of this car? Have it.
Please, I beg you.
Don't touch me.
Please.
Don't you dare touch me, okay?
Please, I beg you.
Don't touch me, Buckley. No, you take this from me.
Please.
It's over. I don't want to see you again in my life, ever.
I beg you.
Take your hand off me. I don't ever want to see you again, okay? Don't ever come here.
Nana Oga, Toki, disappear on it.
One Mission so, and now we are dancing, dear. I feel your titi me. I feel your heart. What's in the class in book? A woman in tear. When you run, I don't know. When you run, I don't know. When you run, I don't know. You young come on me remote. When you run, I don't know. When you run, I don't know. When you run, I don't know.
Barkley.
Titi baby. When you die me. When you die me. When you die me. And then when you so. When you die me. When you die me. When you die me. And then me down me no. Kunti. And then my time for you. Kunti. And then my pussy for me. You mean to me ground on me. You mean to me ground on me too. You mean to me ground on me so. And I want to.
Barkley, please, my daughter is here.
Church never dies from corner, very never is in you. Hold years ago, I want you to say, oh, yeah. In a vein, not in ye. And yet, you are going to me. When you run, I don't know. When you run, I don't know. When you run, I don't know. You young come on me remote. When you run, I
McDonald, he did not open the door.
Are you sure he's in there?
I am very sure he's in there. I was watching telly when he came in with a very heavy face. I greeted him and did not even answer. He went straight to his room and has been there since.
How long ago was this?
He came in about 7:30. That's about an hour ago.
An hour ago?
Mm-hmm.
Hey! Barkley! Was Zini here today?
Zini?
Yes.
No, I did not see her.
I'm sure they had a misunderstanding. Because she's the only one that can get Barkley miserable. It is never good to be obsessed with a woman. It is even more dangerous letting her know. Anyway, let's allow him to pour his emotions out to himself today. Tomorrow, I'm sure he'll be fine. I'll see you.
I felt pity for the man. But there was nothing I could do. I was already so deeply in love with the girl, so deeply in love, that I could not think of giving her up for anything in the world. I could kill for her. I could die for her.
Zini, Barkley loves you. He's obsessed with you.
Don't tell me he loves me. He had the guts to slap me. It's over, okay? It's over.
Come on, Zini. Give him a second chance. Come over and see him.
McDonald, didn't you get it? It's over. Tell him that he is no more my class. And then tell him that I, Zini, says he should fix himself somewhere with his Sakura. Good night.
Nana Oga, Toki, is a beer on it.
What? At this time of the day? Come on, let's go. Let's find out whether he was born on the same day with him. Ugly. Badly.
Stan! Barkley! These children. I'm good. Tired.
Barkley! Stan, is there a spare key for this door?
No, not to this particular door, no.
I think we'll have to bust this door.
You have no alternative.
Move back.
What sound did I hear?
Barkley!
Barkley! No. No, not Barkley.
Stan!
Barkley!
What is this? What is this? Oh, Barkley! 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 Stan, what happened? What happened, Stan? Oh, God! Barkley, don't tell me you are dead! Barkley! Barkley! Why me? Barkley, why? Barkley.
Let's
I dare you.
My kid brother. This is a brilliant result. Look, with these results, you have to study abroad.
You don't mean it, brother?
Oh, yes. I'll get you some money to get yourself prepared. I'll be traveling in 3 months' time. I think I have to go with you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
That's all right. That's all right.
Why now?
To write anything. Nobody can force me to admit I committed a crime I know nothing about. Never. If the man killed himself because of me, that's not my business. I'm not writing any statement.
You are going to write it.
I'm not. And you cannot force me.
I can force you now. I'm going to force you now.
Leave the girl. My dear young lady, say it to me. This is the law. And the case involves death. Nobody has concluded he killed anybody. An allegation has been made and you've admitted you know the dead man. So police routine requires you to write a statement first and foremost. You cannot be jailed without being tried in the law court. So just put down what you know concerning the man and that's all. Okay?
As I was saying, the girl hasn't committed any offense punishable under the law. She is not liable for your friend's death.
But sir, it was because of her.
Because of her. Not by her hands. Legally, she is not culpable. I had no option than to release her.
Jesus.
I haven't got money, so I have to come and see you and see whether you can.
Oh, don't worry, mommy. I'll get you the money.
Hurry up and show me the girl who killed my son.
There she is.
You are the witch. You are the witch. The one who killed my son. You are rather the witch.
Don't talk to my mother like that.
And so you are the mother to my mother like that.
You are the mother. Yes, you are the Satan who talks to your
Foolish woman. It's not your smoking we are not fighting. Just be soft.
Mommy,
why should you allow yourself? How can she come here and come and insult you? Why?
It's okay. Eh? It's alright, okay?
I'm bow down.
Let's get to it.
What will be your way?
I'll get you the money, mommy. Let's go.
About time. I'm more beautiful than you.
It's okay.
Foolish
mommy,
woman.
Please. Let's go. I'll get you the money today.
Let her come again and she will see Pepe.
Everything we grow, I'm a tongue. Everything we grow, I'm a swat. And I order one tea. Me, what do you want to be watching me?
Morning, Zini.
Morning. Hi.
Hello.
My brother, Bill. He's just out of school.
Oh, I see. I'm Zini.
I'm William, but I'm called Bill. It's my pleasure.
Zini, could you please help me drop him off on your way? He has an interview to write near the stadium.
Oh, sure. I'm leaving immediately.
Thank you very much.
Come on, let's go.
So you go with it.
All right.
Good luck.
Randy. Grace. There is somebody at the gate.
Good day.
Good day.
Please, I'm looking for Mr. Ayo.
Okay, come over.
Good day, sir.
Hello.
What can I do for you? My name is Bill. I have a message from Zini.
You must be a small cousin or something.
Oh, yes.
Alright. Got it. I will get back to her. You tell her that. Okay. Alright. Boy. Why don't you take this for lunch?
Thank you,
Same babe.
Yes, darling.
Now tell me.
What?
Why don't you want to introduce me to your parents?
Because you soon abandoned me and went back to your American wife.
I told you there's no American wife. I'm not married, for God's sake.
I don't believe you. Prove it.
You want me to prove it?
Yes. I want you to prove I'm the only woman you love.
Nana Oga, Toki, is a beer on it.
can keep the change. Thank you.
Anything yet? Doesn't she have shame? Shame? You don't know Zini, a girl who 2 men have committed suicide because of. What? Did you say suicide? I don't think Zini is an ordinary girl. 2 different men she jilted committed suicide. And men still go after her.
You're wonderful. You know that. You're so beautiful.
Why not? Can't you see she's beautiful? What's beauty? Rubbish beauty.
This is Africa. You have to believe these things.
Believe what? Look, give me a break. Don't get me into a sermon. I want to enjoy myself to the full.
Nobody says you shouldn't enjoy yourself. But I think you need to have a real think about the girl.
Come off it. Come off it, Mickey. I mean, because the guy, how do you call him? Never mind. That guy decided to poison himself and you are telling me the girl is possessed? I'm surprised at you. How can you reason like that at your age? And even with your education, I'm really disappointed in you.
Yo, when you want the ear and refuses to listen, when the head is cut off, the ear must go with it.
Forget this, you African philosophy, man. Look, can't you see the guy was a Jew, man? Zeno's class was too high for him.
Oh yeah?
Too sophisticated for him to handle. He's just an opportunist who took advantage of the girl when she was a juvenile.
Are you?
He just couldn't cope with the sparkling beauty and sophistication.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so he took the another way out, that is all. Anyway, are you good?
Yeah, they are. Oh, good. Let's go, man.
Mommy and Papa, this is my very good friend I've been telling you about. His name is Ayub. Ayub, these are my parents.
Pleased to meet you.
Thank you.
Pleased to meet you.
William, is it true? I'm asking you. Is it true that you've been sleeping with the girl they say causes nothing but death to men?
Ma, it's not true.
Don't mind him, Mama. He's lying. Every second, every minute, he's in the house. If he's not driving around the whole town in a car, he's in the house watching films. I don't know where he's living anymore. Her house or my house.
William!
Ma, I don't understand what's Lauren's stress. Is there anything wrong in being friends with a girl who is just a good neighbor?
A good neighbor indeed. Who? A good neighbor with a Delilah?
Ma, I merely help her run some errands. And she helps me with some pocket money. After all, Lauren doesn't care about how I survive. Or do you give me any pocket money?
Money? So is it because of money that you want to dig your own grave? Because of money that you want me to be a woman without a son?
Ma, I'm not digging any grave for myself. Just leave me alone.
You see, I told you, she has bewitched him.
But Lauren, why don't you give him some money?
But I feed him.
Feeding is not enough. You should give him some money, at least.
Use this for some ice water.
Thank you. But at least you must add a little because since we came from the village, we haven't had anything. There are a lot of things to be done here. Please add a little to it.
No problem.
Thank you. You are good. You are good. Good.
Welcome.
You see, a prospective in-law should prove himself before his in-laws.
We have to beg leave of you now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Call again.
Papa, we'll be coming back again, okay?
Okay.
Gold necklace, shoe, blouse.
We want to eat some chocolate. No, maybe fried rice would be better. Fried rice.
You're tired, aren't you? Why won't you be tired? Zini has practically turned you into a houseboy. Now, if you don't stop seeing her henceforth, you will leave my house. A young man of your age. How can you be running errands like a little boy? Huh? If I ever see you going into her house again, I shall throw your things away. Do you hear me?
I don't understand the rationale behind you guys' laughter. I mean, this isn't funny. I've spent a fortune on this girl ever since I came back from the United States.
Look, you will kill me. What is your guys' opinion about this parents' attitude?
Well, I'm not certain. Unless, of course, they are all in together, but I doubt it.
I told you to forget this girl, but you wouldn't listen.
You really love the girl, don't you?
Sure. Like mad.
Then give her parents whatever they are asking for. And marry her. Love fulfills all.
You mean I should buy a car for the old man?
Why not? Allah me that Mr. Head in bed.
Zini, forget who I am. Get this message. Get ready to pay for the sins of the past. I am coming for you.
Sorry, sir. Good day, sir.
Darling, it's you.
I thought you said there are nothing between you and this guy.
Has anything proved otherwise?
He wasn't here with you. Your bedroom, wasn't he?
Oh, no. Sweetheart, not you two. Come on, there is nothing wrong with that.
What games are you playing with me? You don't mess up with me. The guy is sitting in the bedroom of a girlfriend who's wearing my promising ring and telling me there's nothing wrong with that? What the hell was he doing in here? I said, what the hell was he doing here?
Leave me alone! What's the matter with all of you? Why must you all have dirty minds? The young man helps me to do a few little things and everybody is persecuting and accusing him of sleeping with me.
Yes, because you give room for that. The two of you are always together.
For God's sake, can't a man and a woman be friends without sleeping together? Even you who have a liberated mind also think like that?
Why shouldn't I? Why shouldn't I? I mean, no wonder everybody was warning me against you. And now listen to me. If you mess up with me, I won't kill myself. I'll kill you.
Excuse me. Who is in it?
A boy who cannot obey his sister cannot live with her. Go and stay wherever you like.
I don't go. Meet me in the hall. Toffee, please.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Give me very fast. Look at you. Oh, I don't know. What's the matter with this? Look at you. A big boy like you are like a slave. Oh! Woo! Oh, give me very fast. Oh, she lying.
my son Quantana. Evo went up with you. None in such a church for Dias from Corner of Fedia never is in you. Hold on, years ago. I want you to oh, yeah. In a vein, not in ye. Many ages ago is a week. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You don't come on me, Rambo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Hearty tea, baby. When you're dying, me. More than you're dying, me. More than you're dying, yo. And then when you so. When you're dying, me.